Hi and welcome to another topic of project risk management. This is what is risk management. This is the second video of project risk management. So before dive into deep, I would suggest you to watch the video, the link I have given in comment section, that is what is risk. What is risk itself? You should understand what is risk first, and then you can come and watch this video how to manage those risks, how we do the risk management, and what is the objective of risk management. So this video is all about what is the risk management. All right, so let's understand what is risk management all about. You can see these photographs. First, what we do, we collect all the risk. We identify all the risk which may or may not occur in our project. Second, we analyze those risks through the qualitative and quantitative risk analysis. Third, we plan the risk response and implement those response whenever risk occurs on our project. 4. Monitor, and 5. Control. We monitor the responses which we have implemented. We see throughout our project the effectiveness of response which has been implemented. Alright, let's see the definition of risk management according to the PM book guide. See here, it includes planning, identification, analysis, response planning, response implementation, and monitoring risk on project. Okay, it means that first of all we create risk management plan. In that we mention all process and procedure, how you will identify, analyze, and take action. Everything is there, right? Accordingly we identify the our project risk. The list of risk once we have, then we put it into analysis through the qualitative and quantitative risk analysis. Those risks after analysis comes into planning. There is response for those risks planned, and then after response planning, those responses get into implementation whenever those risks occurred on the project. All right, and effectiveness of those risk responses monitor throughout the project. It is as simple as that. Hope it is clear for you, right? Now, let's see what is the objective of the risk management. It is as simple as that we do risk management on our project because we optimize the chance of project success. We optimize the chance of project success. Our ultimate goal of doing risk management is optimizing the chance of project success. How we do it? We doing it by increasing probability or impact of positive risk. We increase probability or impact of positive risk, whereas we decrease probability and impact of negative risk, right? So this is the way we do the risk management, and this is the objective of risk management, is that optimizing the chance of project success. That's all in this video. I hope it helped you understanding what exactly risk management is and in your PMP exam preparation. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel